just cubing here, and today I'm doing some sort of challenge video, I could say, that was requested by one of my siblings. So it was to solve a Rubik's Cube one-handed before a fidget spinner stopped spinning. Now this challenge will be a bit hard. I took some practice one-handed, so now I'm pretty sure I can get this done. So let's get ready. I will inspect this first, then spin it and start. So, oh jeez, give it a good spin. I don't know how noisy that is. That must be really loud because this camera picks up a lot of sound pretty darn easily. No, what the heck? This hurts my arm a lot right now, so come on. Perfect. Don't screw up. There we go. I solved a Rubik's Cube before a fidget spinner stopped spinning. Now this challenge was hard because I don't do one-handed and now my hands kind of hurt and stuff, but thank you guys for watching this. If you guys want to pick up this spinner or this Rubik's Cube, their links will be in the description from where I got them and whatnot. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe, and stay tuned for further videos.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.